This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable your disabled apps on your Android phone if it's simply not working. So if you accidentally disabled one of the apps, I think on my Google Pixel phone, if I go to like this clock app, I have the option to disable it. Or even like the camera option, sometimes you might accidentally hit it. So go to settings, scroll on down, go to apps, tap on this. Now you can go to the top right, and you can reset your app preferences. And if there's any app that's disabled, you'll reset it back to enabled. So we can go to this and we can scroll through this list and we can just take a look at what is disabled under here. So let's go to one of these system kind of apps that come pre-installed. So like camera, I should be able to disable it, but there's no option right there. So let's go to maybe Google Chrome. Here it is. This one's disabled. So all I have to do is go back to enable. And now it's working again. And I should be able to use this and it should show up on my phone. So I can open it up now. That's all you have to do is enable it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.